This treat is a gift that just keeps on giving. Make a large batch of this macadamia nut brittle because this sweet and crunchy snack is best shared among loved ones. You would want to start by placing the macadamia nuts into a food processor and pulsing for a few times until coarsely chopped. Set it aside and into a saucepan, add the granulated sugar and light corn syrup. Pour in the water, then bring the contents to a boil over medium heat. Then, continue boiling undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes until a layer of bubbles form on top. Now cover the pan and continue to boil undisturbed for 5 more minutes. Once ready, add in the unsalted butter and stir until the butter has melted and combined with the sugar mixture. Continue cooking over medium heat for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture registers 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, add in the salt, baking soda, and chopped macadamia nuts. Mix to combine, then pour it onto a greased baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spread it as thinly and evenly as possible, then leave the brittle to cool at room temperature. Once it's completely cooled and hardened, carefully cut or tap the brittle to break it into irregular pieces. Now it is ready to be served and enjoyed. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.